Pay attention, Brian. Today, a carpenter from the comment section has 12 hours and 1 opportunity to come and beat a YouTuber in a carpentry competition. What happened? He got hurt?
That's crazy!
Gord's a corner cutter. Gord's crazy.
You think I give a
Let's get nuts.
Today, we're gonna find out who can build a better deck.
It's YouTuber versus Real Carpenter, and it's going down. They got a 15 by 15 square where they got to build a deck. They could build a triangle deck if they wanted. Doesn't matter. The judge is going to be none other than Paul Lafrance, godfather of decks. And with all that said, it's time for the washer flip. Challenger's going to call it in the air. That's you.
Tails.
Oh, it's heads.
What side you going to choose?
He's going right. He needs it to win.
I'll go left.
All right.
Oh.
That's it. So I'm number 1.
All right, gentlemen. We want a good, fair match. No hair pulling, no low blowing, all showboating. Now let's get going. 3, 2, 1, go!
All right, let's do it. Lock in.
And they're off.
Practice is over.
Timer's running. Get a bag on. He already lost. He's got sheepskin on his belt over there. Super soft, squishy soft.
Oh, so I'm foreign. I'm not usually on this side, so it's gonna throw some things off. What's at stake today? The Golden Hammer Trophy. The most coveted award in all of carpentry is up for grabs. He needs to beat me to win this thing. Trust me, it's not gonna be easy.
Get the laser out. I've been a carpenter since 2002. It's a lifelong career thing for me, over a decade doing decks specifically. I think the plan is no plan as usual, you know, leave it till the last second, just see what flows, come up with stuff. The time frame's gonna be the biggest challenge here, not Gord.
The circular saw is already out, being fired up.
Well, I think we're gonna have our first cut right here.
So I need 2 pieces, 2 small pieces of this 2x10.
And there she goes.
To keep the judge on point, we always put together a score sheet.
He's going for design and creativity, a big one.
20 points.
The execution and the craftsmanship.
25 points.
And of course, most importantly, the structural quality.
25 points.
And then at the end, the ambition of the build, 20 points.
No, that's actually 15 points.
So that's 15.
That's all right. That's okay.
And then the overall presentation of the build.
Another 15 points. Add that up. I think it's